What's going on, everybody? This is Island Hopper TV Hotels coming to you from the JW Marriott here at Tomorrow Square in Shanghai. So, it is chilly today. It's mid-April. Been hit with a little bit of a spring storm, I guess you could say. But here's the concierge area. You have to go up to level 38 to check in. So, let's go check it out. Here we are at the lobby. And yeah, we've got a bar over here. This little lounge. Beautiful views. We got a restaurant over there. Look at the views of the Bund. We've got just great views here. And then, of course, the check-in area. So this is the lobby, of course. What a beautiful skyline. Hello. Here's a look at the gym. Just show you around the big gym. Oh, it's bigger than I thought. My goodness. This is definitely one of the bigger gyms that I've seen here. Oh, look at that. Look how big it is. Oh my goodness. So big. Lots of machines. All the free weights over here. Wow. Bench press. This is definitely one of the better gyms I've seen. Up on level 7, they actually have a swimming pool. So let's see if we can find it. All right. So you gotta wash your feet. And we're here at the pool. So again, this is level 7. It's an indoor pool. So that's good because it's raining outside actually. And then you got over here like another pool or something. An outdoor pool that's empty. Either way, good deal. All right, and here's a look at the lounge. Big old lounge here. Hello. Yes. All right. Very nice over here. And up here they have an area called the library. So let's see what that is all about. Is it literally a library? Okay, so it's literally a library up here at the top. Very sophisticated. All right, here's a look at the room. So I didn't get the view looking towards the downtown area, but I'm still satisfied. You've got the desk here, nice desk. Got the couch with the bag on it right now. And then here's the view looking out towards Shanghai, huge city, of course. I mean, all around skyscrapers. Here's the bed. Got the bathroom. You do have a tub here, so that's good. And then, of course, you've got everything else. Look at the shower. Okay. We have here alarm clock, phone. So the TV, I guess, swivels. Let's see here. Yes, it swivels. Actually, I don't watch much TV here because I don't know the language, unfortunately. I'm still learning. But let's see, we got this here. Okay. And then I guess the last thing you guys probably want to know about is the refrigerator. Where's the refrigerator? Oh, where could it possibly be? Well, I'm just gonna say I don't know, but I know this is to help keep your room moist so you don't get a scratchy throat in the morning. All right, guys, now for my final review of the JW Marriott here in Shanghai, Tomorrow Square. So it's right across the street from the People's Square, but also the Shanghai Museum. So convenience counts, right? It is a little bit of a walk getting over there to the Nanjing Road, but it's not undoable. I mean, it's not that it's something you can't do, right? It's something that you can do. It would take you probably 10 to 15 minutes. I rode a bike there, but once you're on Nanjing Road and you walk it all the way to the Bund, I mean, it's pretty easy, right? Like you're walking Nanjing Road. It's fun, it's exciting, and you're going all the way down to the beautiful Bund. So, I mean, that's like a tourist route. So to get to Nanjing Road, 10 to 15 minutes, just depends on traffic and traffic lights, crosswalks, all that. So overall, I would say it is a decent location. I did end up moving to the Conrad, which we're also going to review. That's a little bit closer to Nanjing Road. So, it just depends on what you're looking for. The JW Marriott I found to be a bit older of a hotel. It's a really beautiful hotel. That lobby is spectacular. The customer service is good. The lounge is amazing. The views are great. But the room itself, it is older. The fixtures, even the bed, you can just tell that it's probably almost due for a little bit of a renovation. It's one of those things, like you plug in your MacBook and the MacBook, the outlet's not strong enough to hold your MacBook, little things like that. I mean, not every outlet's going to be like that. I mean, I'm sure there's just one-offs, but what I'm saying is the outlets are so old, they can't sometimes hold all of the, your electronics. So it's probably due for at least outlet update because, they still don't even have like the USB 3 or, that's a JW Marriott's going to have the most modern stuff, right? This one didn't. I'm actually realizing a lot of the JWs need to do that. It's not just this one, but it seems like JW as a brand needs to kind of pick it up a little bit to maintain its prestige. At least if you're comparing it to like Hilton or Conrad, it seems like JW's fallen behind, or the Marriotts in general. I would say almost the Marriotts might even be better than the JWs at this point. I don't know why that is, but either way, it's still a great hotel. What I mean is, I guess it's older. These are older hotels. I don't know exactly when this hotel was built, but I would say it's getting older. It's one of the bigger tall skyscrapers in the skyline. I mean, you're way up there. I was staying all the way on, I think, the 59th floor. I don't really have any other negatives to say about it. I would say everything else is very positive. Well, maybe the one thing that's kind of frustrating, and it's the same thing at the Conrad, you have to go like down several you have to go the elevator situation to get to the gym or the pool or anything like that. It's a bit out of the way. And it's like in another building. You have to go across the sky bridge. And the only reason I don't really like that is because I don't like walking around the hotel, especially a nice hotel like this, in my gym clothes or my swim trunks, right? So the hotels where, you just get in that elevator and then it drops you right there, that's what I like. These hotels, even the Conrad and several other older hotels, it's one of those things where you got to go to the attached building, so you got to walk through the whole hotel lobby to get there. And my opinion on that is, I just don't want to walk through a luxury resort in my flip-flops or my bathing suit or my gym clothes when everyone else is dressed, prestigiously. But it's a beautiful lounge at the lobby level, beautiful lounge at the sky level. And like I said, the staff is just so good. It's just the hotel's getting older, and that's the only thing that I wanted to point out. And I think the building itself is all right, the condition. It's just the fixtures are what they probably should update and maybe consider the beds. That's it. Other than that, great hotel. Hope you guys enjoy it. See you guys on the next one.